let's see how to turn off spell checker in Microsoft Word. Now, first off, we want to open Microsoft Word and have our new document ready. And as you can see here, we have our pretext ready, and we can see that some words are underlined in red. So these words are considered as not part of the language that most of your text or chosen language in Microsoft is not written in. So currently, my Microsoft Word is set to English. So therefore, these words are not registered in the English language. To turn off your spell checker, simply go on the File tab, click on Options, and click on Proofing, and make sure you uncheck this box, check spelling as you type. Click OK, and as you'll notice, these words are no longer underlined. And that is how you turn off spell checker in Microsoft Word. See you soon!